Hey, this is Camry. Welcome to my channel. Would you like to see what I do at night to try and keep my house from becoming a complete disaster? If so, I'm going to bring you with me and show you what I try and do each and every night before I go to bed so that my mornings are easy and smooth. Sometimes my life does get in the way and it's hard to stick to my routine, but when that happens, my mornings start out bad because I am already behind from the night before. If you would like to see what I do at night before I go to bed to wake up to a less stressful morning, just keep watching. One thing I have to do every single night is clean the kitchen, because if I don't, I will have to do the dinner and breakfast dishes all together. Or sometimes I even have to wash the dinner dishes before I can even make breakfast. Just imagine this. Your kids are whining because they are hungry, but you have to clean the darn kitchen before you can even make them anything. Sometimes we feel stressed or overwhelmed when we see a job that we have to do, but if we just start, it really doesn't take that long. I was really not wanting to do this and I wasn't even motivated, and I came in here and it took me probably 5 minutes to get it done.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me.
When I get plastic bags, I keep them in this drink mix container, and then I use them to line my bathroom trash cans instead of buying bags for it. To clean the countertops, I'm going to use my homemade vinegar spray, and I make that with 1 cup water, 1 cup white distilled vinegar, and then a large squirt of dish soap.
Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
What task makes you feel like you are just done with the job? When I wash my sink out, I just know that I am done with the kitchen and my dishes are done.
Where you wanna go? Stars align onto your face. Pretty sweet, your sour taste. Make me sing along, sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need right. Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. Sharing all your deepest dreams, wonder what they really mean. Yeah, in the empty bottle lies all the answers. Write down all your
I like to go to bed with my kitchen looking like this so that in the morning I just wake up and I can make my kids breakfast super easy. So now I'm here in my hallway bathroom and I'm going to use my Method Anti-Bac to clean the toilet. And usually I would use a cloth with this, but tonight I brought in my disinfectant wipes and I'm going to use those to wipe everything down. Normally I would wipe down both bathrooms, but earlier today I just deep cleaned my master bathroom, so I don't feel like I need to go in there and wipe it down again.
Your memories feel the things you wanna feel, yeah. In the empty bottle lights on the answer. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me, yeah. We got everything we need right here.
I recently uploaded a video where I cleaned and decorated this bathroom. If you would like to see that video, you can tap the I, or it is linked in the description box below.
You ain't got enough of this fever, I know, I know. Nothing would remain and you don't wanna go, so go. Cause you're picking your pace, no time to waste. I wanna love you but life doesn't wait. You can't stay here and waste away. You need to taste every mistake, fall out and get up again and again.
I have 3 little boys living in this house, so I have to keep up on this bathroom or it gets bad in no time.
Again and again and again and again, I'll be with you always.
I usually like to have at least one load of laundry to either fold or put away before I go to bed. So if it's towels or blankets, I leave them to be folded, but I usually fold the clothes as I take them from the dryer. So I usually just sort them and then put them away.
You don't need to be afraid. And I'll meet you up, I'll meet you at the I'll be with you always. You don't need to be afraid. I'll meet you up, meet you at the end.
My nighttime cleaning routine does not take me long to get done, and it makes waking up the next morning a lot less stressful. Those of you who have stayed until the end, I want to thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please show me some love by giving it a thumbs up. Also, if you would like to see more videos like this one, make sure you subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!